live and direct. This is 50.com.
You're getting the first look, live TV, live internet, in your vehicle. You want to check more of this out? Check the footage on thisis50.com. This life.
Show you first look here, Lincoln Mark LT. Completely went one off on this car. Big shout out to Lou down here, the owner of Blanca Auto Concepts. We really went above and beyond on this car to show you exactly what it is. We got here one-off set of wheels that was made by George over down at Proformance. These guys are number one when it comes to wheels, when it comes to one-off wheels. If you don't know what one-off wheels are one of a kind. Don't say you've seen this because you haven't. So the way we do this is, we got a CNC lathe, it profiles the contour of the face. That's all done in CAD. CAD is a computer-assisted drawing that enables us to tell this machine how to cut this part. You know, from there, we do everything in-house. I mean, we don't sub anything out. Come check it out.
That 40 cali barrel with the smoking like a chimney. Niggas sick of pussy shit and me, I'm just a remedy. 03, get rich, nigga, you remember me.
Hey, yo, pull that back.
This is actually a 20-spoke pattern that he did for us, which is matte black center. As you can see, he customized the center for us and did thisis50.com. There was tons and tons of man hours put into these. We did thisis50.com on the back. Obviously, this is where we're broadcasting from. You're watching this on thisis50.com. This truck is a promotional vehicle for thisis50.com.
I roll like a pimp, I'm your pusher, man. She can make us both rich, nigga, yes she can.
Yo, what's up? Yo, this is 50 Cent. Standing right in front of thisis50.com truck. You can see this exclusive one-of-one. Check this out, Funkmaster Flex Car Show. Get a chance to check out the interior, that flavor, so you understand how we roll. And check the rims out. One-of-one. It's only one pair of these, baby. Know what I'm saying? Come on, look. If you see the white navy, come through. You know what that is, baby. It's thisis50.com. Right here, it's your boy 50 Cent.
I'm addicted to it. Me, I got the win. Over and over and over again.
These are the type of things that people are not going to notice unless you really know about these vehicles, and far and few people in between know. This is a factory accent look, and it keeps the vehicle looking clean. The car sounds mean. When you get on it, it's such an aggressive sound that it has on it. I mean, and those two tips out the back says enough. I don't even have to explain that. If you don't got it, you gotta go get it and go find somebody who got it. Everybody hates the factory radio. Everybody's very quick to take the factory radio, yank it out to get in an aftermarket radio and get that picture up there. People want to see video and want to see this stuff up front. No need to rip it out anymore. All these brand new cars that are coming from the factory don't even allow you to pull those radios out because there's too much stuff integrated with the factory radio. Now, no more need for any of that. You can keep your factory radio. Any car that you have that has a factory navigation screen, they can take that screen and they can convert it for you so you can now watch movies on your front screen. Look what I just did right now. That's magic. These guys are on top of their game when it comes to taking these factory screens and converting them over. On first look, when people get into this vehicle, they're going to assume that this vehicle came this way. Everything looks factory and OEM style, meaning that the truck did come this way. It did not come this way, okay? First and foremost, we started out by painting all the exterior trim panels here to match the interior. Move over to the dashboard. Same exact thing. We kept the same OEM look on the dashboard. It's actually a charcoal finish that we did up here. Big shout out to JL Audio. We got on the phone with Kevin Sterling. We let him know we had a job going on for thisis50.com, and he went all out for us, sent us all the newest and latest and greatest equipment. We have an HD 750x1 and also an HD 600x4. If you don't know about these amplifiers, you better check it out. JL Audio right now is ahead of the curve when it comes to amplifiers. Before, you used to have an amplifier that was the size of a radiator doing the same exact job that this is doing for us. This is a completely different amp, a completely different sound, and JL Audio is the company you need to deal with when you're talking about aftermarket sound and aftermarket equipment.
You know what it is. Thisis50.com, the promotional vehicle, serious, funk flex. You know what I do. Show this some respect. This is so mean out here. crazy.
I'm a Southside nigga, you could come through and ask for me. System thumping, pumping, Tupac blast for me. Kelly show me love, for me I'm from the East. I'm guessing I'm bi-coastal when I'm on Dre beats. I get paper, stack paper, blow paper, make paper, take paper, I'm major. I take up New Jacob, nigga wake up.
This is performance. Much love. Last but not least, what we did here is we actually sueded out the whole headliner. This used to be like a tan, cream color, kind of color. Doesn't really go with that whole black theme, the way that Lincoln had designed this truck. So the guys over down at Godfrey's and Sons, shout out to Mike and Mr. Godfrey, they did the whole headliner for us. Gave the car, gave the truck a brand new feel. That suede up top, I mean, it's awesome. People overlook it thinking it's factory, but it's not. But that's one of the biggest things we do. We do things to look like factory, which a lot of times overlooked. Also did the visors. The visors are all sueded out. Everything is all suede. So this car right now is a true luxury truck. Alright, well, I took you through the truck inside and out. You already saw everything that this truck has, man. You already know who I am, Chris. Bronx, we out of here.
It's showtime.